Soybeans ended the midweek session mixed. More on that in just a moment. I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins at the closing market minute for Wednesday, January 14th. Soybeans were up for most of the day on an oversold bounce, but did close mixed, mostly modestly higher on spread trade and general consolidation. Part of that support, oversold signals. Part of that, China buying 334,000 tons of U.S. beans ahead of the open. Corn closed modestly higher, also oversold and due for a bounce. And South Korea bought U.S. corn before the start of the session. And during the session, the U.S. Energy Information Administration said that ethanol production last week was an all-time high. That is the fourth month in a row we have achieved record ethanol production. And both corn and soybeans continue to watch weather in South America, which looks mostly favorable. CONAB's updated outlook for Brazil's crops are out on Thursday, along with the USDA's weekly export sales report. And after spending much of the session mixed, wheat closed mostly modestly higher, oversold and due for a bounce there with a little bit of help from the lower move in the dollar index during the session. Chicago and Kansas City are watching a more seasonal weather pattern move into the Midwestern plains. Live and feeder cattle were down on profit taking, still waiting for this week's direct cash cattle business to get going. Did see a little bit of light trade on Monday afternoon, but aside from that, things have been very quiet. No bids, no asking prices as of yet. Box beef was higher at midday on Wednesday, but it didn't have any real impact. And hogs closed higher, supported by technical buying. No real fresh fundamental bullish news out during the session at least. Cash trade continues to be extremely quiet, and pork was weak at midday. With the closing market minute for Wednesday, January 14th, I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins.